What's up, everyone? I'm gonna go do another headlight restoration at my buddy's house. I don't know if he's there, so hopefully he is, but if he's, as I was saying, my GoPro's been messing up. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but anyway, yeah, I'm going to my buddy's house, and his headlights need restored. He drives a Altima. I think it might be a 09 or a 08. I'm pretty sure it's a 09. Either way, it has some years of oxidation, so we're gonna do the treatment that we did on my vehicle. Just get him back right for a good 6 months or however long it will last for him. He doesn't drive that car as much, to my understanding. He has a little truck too that he uses more so for work. But yeah, we're gonna get his Altima back looking somewhat new, and also the most important thing is that the safety of the headlights, it gives you more visibility at night. So I wish I could have gave you a before and after of his view at night, but I don't have time for that, so I got to get going. So yeah, we're gonna head over there to his house. Like I said, hopefully he's there, but if he's not, we're gonna still do it, because like, whatever, hopefully nobody thinks I'm up to no good, and if they do Alright, so getting started with this headlight, starting to taping off the process. I'll plug a picture right here of the wipe down with alcohol, which took a lot of the oxidation off, to be honest with you. Which I was surprised. Like, it wasn't just dirt coming off, it was like yellow hazing. But going in kind of heavy with the polish, just because these headlights are extremely oxidized, which is quite common with the Japanese brands. Not even gonna lie, it seems like their headlights just, I don't know, beautiful, but just oxidize so quickly. Yeah, boy, y'all see them girls. Pretty aggressive with this, just because it is highly oxidized. It was more so clear up top, which is kind of, that's what's so strange. Like, usually towards the bottom it's more clear, but up top it's kind of harder because it's getting typically more sun exposure. But it depends on where you park in the car. You see me feeling it right there and seeing that it's still got the scratchy feeling. So I'll go back in with a third coat. Yeah, I realize that it's not really working, trying to apply more pressure, but can't see it in my face, but I was getting super mad. Just because I wanted this to come out perfect. But as a wipe down, it's better than the beginning, so I mean, it was an improvement, but definitely needs to go back over. I was in quite a rush. I was picking up food, and that did not affect what I was doing. I still took the amount of time that was needed for this. It's just that, like, I wasn't going to keep going over and over again with it when I saw no progress. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that headlight. So this headlight, you can see the oxidation a little bit better because the sun is directly there. beaming on it, which ideally you would not want to do this in direct sunlight, but like I said, my friend was preoccupied, so just had to pull it behind him and get it done. But yes, ideally I would not be doing this in the sunlight. It just, no. Anyway, applying a thick coat. So on this one, I did go just about as aggressive just to make sure. Like I didn't have to go as many rounds, but like I said, this headlight, I guess, didn't get as much exposure as the other one. Just came out a little bit better. Still overly not satisfied with the outcome, but it is an improvement. He actually texted me a few days ago saying he can really tell a difference at night. And I was just thinking, dang, if I could have just got them crystal clear, it'd have been just even better. But he was very appreciative. So going in with that second coat just to see if I can get it any better, which at this point I kind of knew it's either going to be get a new bonnet, which I'm using a wool bonnet on this one, get a brand new one to see if it works, because the bonnet I did use on this was it was used but it was washed. So, but granted, that's still mileage on the bonnet, however you want to look at it. So I do want to go back in with a new one just to see if that does help out. And if it does not help the next time around, it's definitely going to take an actual sanding with grit paper and everything. So, but as you can see, this one did come out a little bit better besides the sun beaming right on it, but you can still see the improvement. So I'll start hitting it with the polish just to get that UV protection on there. And it came out a little bit better, so I was pretty happy with this side, but overall still feel like it needs to be redone. So yeah, wiping that away, it turned out as good as it's gonna get. So stay tuned, and I think we will go back and try to do it again, just to see if we can get better results.